Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Monday.com Pulses. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage and track their work in a customizable and flexible way. Pulses are the core elements of the Monday.com platform, representing individual items or tasks that teams work on. To set up effective pulses, start by defining a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects the content of the pulse. This title should be concise and easy to understand, allowing team members to quickly grasp the purpose of the pulse. Next, assign relevant tags or categories to the pulse, enabling easy filtering and searching. This step is crucial for maintaining organization and ensuring that pulses can be quickly located. When setting up pulses, consider adding a due date to create a sense of urgency and prioritize tasks. Due dates also enable the creation of timelines and calendars, providing a visual representation of upcoming deadlines. Another essential aspect of pulses is the addition of updates or comments. These allow team members to collaborate and discuss the pulse, providing a clear audit trail of progress and decisions made. To take pulses to the next level, consider integrating them with other Monday.com features, such as boards, dashboards, and automations. This integration enables the creation of powerful workflows that automate tasks and streamline processes. Best practices for pulses include keeping them concise and focused on a single topic, using clear and consistent naming conventions, and regularly reviewing and updating pulses to reflect changing priorities and progress. By following these best practices and leveraging the features of Monday.com, teams can create effective pulses that drive productivity, collaboration, and success. Effective pulses are essential for getting the most out of the Monday.com platform. And by implementing these strategies, teams can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool.